It's a 1932 Chevy Roadster convertible. It is a six-cylinder stock engine. It was back then advertised to go 70 miles an hour. The car is pretty much original. It has a couple little extras on it, like the side mirrors over the tires. And I wasn't sure at first when I saw it in the catalog how my wife was going to react. She loves them. Now, this car doesn't have side windows. Back then, they were called curtains, and they were like clear vinyl. And actually, I'm having Carl make those probably this fall. Maintenance, if I can't do it, I have Carl do it, and I've been real happy with that.